Hello everyone, my name is Justin Rodelas from BSTM1C. Welcome to this video on proper first aid application for 5 common emergencies that may occur in restaurants or hotels. Today, I'll guide you on how to handle choking, burns, cuts, fainting, and allergic reaction effectively and confidently. Let's get started. Let's begin with choking, one of the most common emergencies in restaurant. If a guest is choking, remain calm and ask if they can cough or speak. If they cannot perform the Heimlich maneuver, stand behind them, wrap your arms around their waist, and make a fist. Place the first above their navel and thrust inwards and upwards firmly until the object is expelled. If the person becomes unconscious, call emergency services and begin CPR if trained. Case number 2. Burns. Burns are another common emergency, especially in kitchen. If someone gets burned, cool the affected area under the running water for 10 to 20 minutes. Avoid using ice. Applying ice directly to the burn can worsen the injury due to the following reason. Number 1. Tissue damage from extreme cold. Ice or extremely cold substance can cause frostbite like effects on already damaged skin, leading to further tissue injury. Number 2. Delayed healing. Extreme cold restriction blood flow to the burns area, slowing down the body's natural healing process. Number 3. Increase the pain and discomfort. Ice can intensify the pain by irritating the nerve endings in the affected area. Number 4. Risk of hypothermia. For severe burns, especially large one, ice can lower the body temperature too much, leading to a risk of hypothermia, particularly in the children or individual with lower body mass. And another one to avoid is applying ointment, as this can worsen this injury. Cover the burn with a clean non-stick dressing. For severe burn, seek medical help immediately. Case number 3. Cuts and lacerations. Accident involving knives, glassware, or machinery can result in cuts or lacerations. First, wash your hands to prevent infection, then apply pressure to the wound with a clean cloth or bandage to stop bleeding. After the bleeding stops, clean the wound with water, apply antiseptic, and cover it with a sterile bandage. For deep cuts, medical assistance is necessary. Case number 4. Fainting. Fainting often occurs due to dehydration, stress, or fatigue. If someone faints, lay them flat on their lap and elevate their legs to restore blood flow. Loosen tight clothing and ensure they have a fresh air. Once unconscious, offer water and monitor their condition. If they remain unconscious, call for emergency assistance. Case number 5. Allergic reaction. Allergic reactions are critical emergencies, especially when involving food. Common symptoms including swelling, difficulty breathing, and skin rash. Call emergency services immediately. If available, administer an EpiPen by pressing it against the outer thigh for 10 seconds. Keep the person calm and monitor their breathing until help arrives. Prevention tips. Prevention is always better than cure. To minimize emergencies, ensure your staff is trained in first aid. Keep first aid kit accessible, follow strict food safety measures, and maintain a clean, hazard-free environment. In conclusion, to recap, we covered how to handle choking, burns, cuts, fainting, and allergic reaction in restaurants and hotels. Remember, quick and effective action can save lives. Thank you for watching, and always prioritize your safety in your workplace. Bye.